reflections on stone walls. This is the cave of mind chatter, dense, heavy. But I remember there is a door, and it opens inward. I descend into the sacred chamber, the heart wide as the sky, soft as water. Thought forms rise, storms pass, I do not resist. For where attention flows, energy follows. I breathe, I witness, I do not grasp. These visitors, they come, they go. Nothing lasts forever. Into the heart, fall like rain into the deep. Into the heart, where silence sings and shadows sleep. Here I am, here I stay. Beloved soul, shall we speak of stillness? Not the stillness of stone, but the stillness that dances. Meditation is the flame that watches itself burn, the breath of the moon moving through your bones. You stir the soup, you walk the path, you sway to rhythm, and yet the temple remains within. For presence is not a posture, it is sacred noticing, the hum of life itself, the whisper of I am. Draw into the heart, fall like rain into the deep. Drop into the heart, where silence sings and shadows sleep. Smile at the mind like a breeze kisses leaves. Watch, be still, let go. All is well, all is now. Drop into